Capwing Converter Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online media converters wrong. They compromise quality or deal with confusing software. Capwing Converter is an online platform for video, audio, and image conversion that combines speed with simplicity. The surprising truth is how many extra tools it offers beyond conversion, and you won't believe how easy it is to turn your files into ready-to-share content. Here's how it works. Upload your file, select the desired format, and download the converted result. Capwing supports MP4, GIF, MP3, PNG, and more. Beyond basic conversion, you can resize videos, add subtitles, crop images, and even create memes or social media clips. For example, a YouTuber can take a recorded MP4, convert it to a GIF for social sharing, and add captions all within minutes. Most people get this wrong. They assume online converters are limited, but Capwing doubles as a full creative suite. Additional features include collaborative editing, templates, and cloud storage for projects. The platform is browser-based, so no software installation is needed, and it works on desktops, tablets, and smartphones. However, there are considerations. Free plans may include watermarks and file size limits, and advanced editing features require subscription. Most people assume free equals full access. It's important to review plan details before starting big projects. In conclusion, Capwing Converter is ideal for creators, marketers, and casual users needing fast, high-quality media conversion and editing. Its combination of versatility, simplicity, and extra creative tools makes it more than just a converter. It's a full online media toolkit. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of content creation platforms.